If you have executed a trade before, you have definitely used a point of interest. A point of interest is simply an area of interest for trade executions. In other words, it is an area in a trading range that trades are executed. We have various types of points of interest, but for this mini course, we will be discussing just two, the order block and breaker block. An order block is the last buy candle before the down move in a bearish range and the last sell candle before the upside move in a bullish range. Let us take a look at an illustration. For a bearish range, the last buy candle is your point of interest, while in a bullish range, it is the last sell candle before the upside move. A breaker block, on the other hand, is an order block that was not respected. Let us take a look at an illustration. You can see that if the price were to continue buying, it should respect the other block as marked. Instead, the price broke through. So after establishing a bearish trading range, what you want to see is price pull back into the point of interest, which is a broker block. Now let us take a look at some real chart examples. In this order block example, we can see that after price established the trading range, price made a retracement into the point of interest, which in this case is an order block. So what we want to do is place our entry at the wick of the order block and stop loss below the wick of the order block. Then we place our take profit on the target liquidity, which in this case is the internal range liquidity. If you haven't watched previous topics on liquidity, you are advised to do so. In this next example, after establishing the trading range, price made a retracement into the point of interest, which in this case is a breaker block. So what we want to do is place an entry on the wick of the breaker block and the stop loss at the low of the order block. Then we place the take profit on the target liquidity, which in this case is the external range liquidity. There is more to point of interest and other topics discussed in this mini course. Please do yourself a favor, click on the link and description to gain access to our trading community. This is the end of this topic. See you in the next one.